Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use HDR effect in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using the HDR effect in CapCut can enhance the visual quality of your videos by improving the contrast and brightness or the sharpness of the video. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply the HDR effect in CapCut on your device. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device, then tap on your project button. Choose the video you want to enhance with the HDR effect from your gallery. Tap Add to import it into your project. Tap on the video clip and the timeline to choose it. Then scroll through the bottom menu options and tap on Adjust. Tap on Sharpen. You can adjust the intensity of the sharpen effect by using slider that appears after selecting the filter. Adjust the brightness a bit, then adjust the contrast slightly. Adjust the saturation a bit. Then adjust the highlight a bit. You can also adjust the shadows. Now, tap on the check mark, then tap on the blank space. Now, let's preview a video by tapping on the play button. Once you are satisfied with the effect, tap on the export button at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can effectively apply the HDR effect in CapCut, enhancing your video's visual appeal with improved contrast and dynamic range. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.